Do you know what palm wine is? Have you ever drank palm wine? If not, you are so missing out. Follow me. Let's go and drink palm wine. After about an hour on that motorbike, we finally here. This good man is leading us to get our fresh palm wine. Follow the journey, folks. We followed the man for some time as we walked to get introduced to the palm wine tapper in the area for our palm wine. Okay, so now we found the palm wine tapper. He's the one leading us now. So bad he didn't make any introduction of himself, but he is very generous and asked us to follow him for some palm wine. Let me give you the explanation to what he is saying. Before we get served with our fresh natural palm wine, he brought us to their local brewery. This is like a localized, very outdated processing brewery for the palm wine to be turned into a very hard alcoholic drink called akpeteshi. To simplify what I am saying, I mean you can turn this palm wine we are coming to take into a very strong alcoholic drink called akpeteshi. Take a look at this local brewery. But folks, the time is now. Let's get to the reason why we came here in the first place. Now, our palm wine is ready. As you can see, he is collecting the palm wine under the oil palm tree. As you can see, we are trying to fill all the bottles that we came with fresh, natural, high forest zone palm wine. In fact, this trip was a very nice one.